Hello, my friends, and thank you for tuning in. If you're looking for a safe, versatile helmet that's not gonna break the bank, Leatt has you covered with their new ADV 7.5 helmet. This thing is awesome because, again, it's gonna give you great safety technology, but it's not gonna break the bank. Now, to start off with talking about this 7.5 adventure helmet, we've gotta talk about this shell. Now, they had the 8.5, which was a carbon composite shell, and a carbon fiber 9.5 helmet that came out last year, and that helmet has been a winner. When it comes to the 7.5, they used a polymer shell, which is a big way that they saved you a lot of money to make sure that they could offer all the same safety technology at a lower price point. Now, with this polymer shell, this is offered in 3 different shell sizes so that you're going to get the proper look and sizing regardless of if you're on the smaller end of the spectrum or the larger end of the spectrum. The helmet will look and feel proper. I love the styling of this helmet. It's got aggressive lines, it's got sharp edges that make this look really aggressive. Now, on top of that, Leatt also has this in several different colorways to make sure that you can match up with your styling so that you've got a helmet that you're proud to be running. Now, as you look over this helmet, one big thing that I will tell you is we've got to look at the visor that is on this helmet. This is fixed, okay? So you can't adjust this up and down. But with that being said, you are going to notice all the big cutouts on this. This is going to really help make sure that this helmet doesn't have that lifting effect when you're on the freeway at those higher speeds with this helmet. Now, to get this on and off, I will tell you it's nice and easy. It's 4 simple pull pins, and I'll show you that here in just a little bit. Now, the next thing that we've got to talk about with this is venting. Now, you've got your brow vents up here, and one big thing that I really like about the 7.5 is you can open and close these vents with just one simple little switch right here. Now, with the 8.5 and 9.5, you have to open those individually side by side, so this makes it really easy to open and close both of them with just one flick of the switch. The other big vent on here is your mouthpiece vent. Now, again, nice and easy to open and close with just a switch of your finger, but this vent is actually backed up by a big piece of coarse foam that's going to help siphon out that riding debris and dust away from the inside of this helmet when you've got it open. Now, to go along with those big intake vents, you've got exhaust vents on the chin bar, as well as 2 vents on the back upper portion of this helmet to make sure this helmet can flow that air. Now, my favorite thing about this helmet when we're talking about the outside though is the versatility. You can check this out. I've got this helmet set up in 4 different ways for 4 different types of riding. This is huge because if you want one helmet that's going to work for all different types of riding, this is going to be a great option for you. So let's walk through that just a little bit. When you start off with your helmet, if you want to pull off the visor, again with those 4 pins, and leave the shield on here, this is going to be then set up for great high-speed road use. So if you're using it on your street bike, this thing is going to look great and give you all of that functionality within a street helmet. Leave the visor on. This thing is set up perfectly for ADV use. You've got your flip-up shield, and one thing that I will note on this shield while we're talking about it is this has got 5 different tabs so that you can set this up in different locations to fit your need to make sure that you can get a little bit of venting when the time calls for it. Now, with this shield, I will also tell you, this is pin lock ready. It doesn't come with the pin lock visor included, but it is available separately so that you can set up that interior visor to cut down on any fogging while you're out on those long rides. Now, the next way that you can set this helmet up is you can flip up this shield and then put on the included 2.5 Leatt goggle. Now, this is a huge value adder that Leatt's done with a lot of their helmets in that you get a nice color matched goggle that's going to look cool with your helmet, but again, open up some possibilities. This goggle is exactly what you'd want to use for dual sport riding because then you've got a little bit more dust protection for your eyes when you're out on that dual sport ride. Now, when you're running this in dual sport mode with the goggles, there's 2 things that I want to point out here. The first thing, if you look at the line that you've got on the bottom of this shield, you've got some cutouts to make sure that this goggle strap has a nice place to sit so it's nice and flush. Now the next thing is if you're out with the goggles on and you run into rain or you need to protect your goggles for some reason, you can still slide down this shield to make sure to protect that goggle. Now with the goggle straps being here, these do close quite well, but there is a little bit of a gap, just so you're aware of it. This wouldn't be a long-term type use, but it will protect those goggles. Now the last thing that you can do to set this thing up is for more dirt use, you can take off this shield with just 2 quarter-turn fasteners, makes it nice and easy, and then throw that goggle back on there and you're ready for a more dirt-oriented use. This makes this helmet a big value because again, there's 4 different ways that you can set up this helmet. I'm gonna show you how to pop this stuff off. For your visor, it's just got the pins, so you're just pulling on this and you're just gonna make sure to unhook each of these. Now they are nice and secure, which is great, and it's gonna keep it in line and secure, but it makes it easy to pull off. And then when it comes to the shield, you've got 2 quarter-turn setups, one on each side that you push off, and then it comes out right there, and then your shield comes off. This is a very cool system that makes it super slick to make those changes so that you can really tailor this helmet to how you want to use it. Before we move into the inside of this helmet, the last thing that I want to talk to you about is the weight. We talked about this polymer shell having a little bit of a weight penalty. I grabbed a size medium and I set it up in all 4 different ways, and I've got the weights for you. If you set this thing up in street mode, you take the visor off but leave the face shield on, this weighs in at 3 pounds 7 ounces. Now if you put the visor back on, take the shield off, and set it up for dirt use, this comes in at 3 pounds 10 ounces. If you take the goggle off, put the shield back on, and you've got the ADV set up, this comes in at 3 pounds 11 ounces. And then last, with the shield and the goggle, everything set up for dual sport use, this comes in at 3 pounds 14 ounces. So this is a little bit under that 4-pound range, but it is heavier than the 8.5 and 9.5 that do cost quite a bit more than this. Now, as we get into the inside of this helmet, I'm gonna move this a little out of the way and we're gonna dig into this helmet. Now, the first thing I'm gonna point out with this is you've got a removable chin curtain here. Now this is gonna be great if you don't wanna run it. Maybe you've got a beard that's getting in the way of it and you wanna remove this. It comes out nice and easy, but when it's in place, it does do a good job of keeping that air from out of the helmet, which is a good thing. Before we take these cheek pads out, the first thing that I will point out is these emergency pull straps right here. This is huge for that EMT that comes up to you after a crash. They can get these cheek pads out to make sure they can get this helmet off of you to keep you as safe as possible. Now, when it does come to taking these cheek pads out to clean and maintain your helmet, I don't recommend pulling on those for that. I recommend taking these out the normal way. Now, when it comes to this liner with the cheek pads, you've got 3 different tabs that come out with a little bit of effort, and then you've got a little bit of a fin that fits in between a groove in the EPS liner and the shell of the helmet. While we've got this out, you're gonna see this fabric that they used on this is nice and soft and gives you a good feel against your face, but then you've got that thick plush padding. Now moving in from the cheek pads, we'll get to the main helmet liner. You've got 2 pull tabs on the bottom and then 2 on the top. And we'll take this out nice and easy. Now I'm gonna show you 2 things that I really like about their helmet liner. The first thing is look at all these cutouts. This thing has got tons of cutouts to make sure that the air can really move around your head to keep you nice and comfortable. But the next thing I'm gonna show you is their ProFit system. Now you've got stretch panels in this helmet liner, and this is gonna help give this helmet a nice custom feel to it when you're putting it on. Now speaking of putting this thing on, when you put this thing on, I will tell you, I'm a size medium in nearly every helmet that I've wore. This thing fit true to size. I even tried a size small and a size large on, and just as to be expected, the small was too tight, the large was too large, and the medium was just right for me. Now that being said, if you get your normal size helmet and you're not happy with the size or fit of it, be sure to take advantage of our fit guarantee. Keep the helmet in new, unused condition, try it on in your house, and if you don't like it, we'll cover the shipping both ways on your first exchange. so that you can have the most comfort while you're out on that ride. We also offer that for any apparel items sold here at Rocky Mountain. Now, aside from that and moving away from the liner, we've got to talk about the safety. This is Leatt's big bread and butter. This is where they're known to bring the goods. You've got an EPS liner on the inside of this helmet, but then on top of that, you've got their 360 turbine system. Now, this 360 turbine system they've been using in their motocross helmets for a long time. This does a great job of mitigating and absorbing those impacts, whether they're rotational or they're linear impacts. This is going to keep your brain nice and safe in the event of a fall. Now, with this EPS liner as well as the 360 turbine, this helmet is DOT and ECE 2206 certified. This makes it nice and safe. Make sure that your head is nice and protected. Now, on top of that, Leatt also offers their 3-year replacement program. If you have a crash and damage this helmet, if you reach out to Leatt, they can give you 40% off of your next helmet within that 3-year window. This is a very cool helmet. I'm really proud of the helmet that Leatt brought out with this ADV 7.5. And if you want to check it out, go ahead and click on the link below. As always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.